Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use simple scripts to do a one-button installation of WordPress. So one of the web hosts I use, called Bluehost, actually uses simple scripts as their one-button installer for WordPress. So click on your control panel login, fill in all the information for your login, click on login, and then while that's loading we're going to go to Namecheap, which is where I registered a new domain today. Don't pay attention to any of this stuff. Go to My Account, Manage Domains, log in, go find your domain, and mine is livermoretattoos.com, and then transfer DNS to web host. This is a pretty simple step. Save changes. And that's done. Let's go see nope, it'll take a while. So anyway, we'll pause here and wait for the DNS to propagate, and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. So what we're going to do now is this is what it looks like when the DNS is propagated, because now the name servers have been propagated. They know that Bluehost is actually hosting the website. So let's go back to Bluehost and choose add-on domain, and it will be right here. And then type in your domain name. It should take just a second or 10. Okay, it's an add-on domain, so choose add-on versus part. Always choose add-on. Scroll down, let it create its own directory, which makes sense, and then the subdomain is going to be called this. That was all done automatically by virtue of our entering the domain right here. Okay, once all that's done and you've ensured that you've clicked on add-on domain, click down here on add domain. And this takes a little bit of time, maybe 30 seconds or so. So I'm going to pause here. Okay, this is what the screen looks like as or after you've added on your domain. Okay, so that's that. What we want to do now is go to cPanel up here. Alright, and then you want to scroll down to Software and Services, Simple Scripts. Wait for that page to load. And then scroll all the way down to WordPress. And then scroll all the way down to Install. And then you have to choose where you would like WordPress to be installed. So go find your domain name. It's right there. And then under advanced options you can type in your website name, and you can either have it generate a random administrator username and password or just choose one yourself. Automatically create a new database. You want to do that. That's a huge time saver. And in step 3, check the box as well. Then click on complete. And you can see here that the status is ready to process. Now the status is at 25%, and it goes pretty quick from here. Okay. Copy your password. Use your login URL. Type in your admin username, copy your password, and then click login. Okay. This is what the website looks like, which will be not much. Livermore Tattoos, just another WordPress site. Here's your standard first post. Here's your archives and meta, sample page, all that kind of stuff. So that's that on installing WordPress with simple scripts.